Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, I've got my son Rohan here with me today.
Hello.
Hi Rohan, welcome. Yes. We haven't seen you in a little while on the show. Nice to have you back. And if you're like Rohan and you like peanut butter and jam on toast or on sandwiches or whatever, that you really don't want to eat too much bread.
Too many carbs.
Yeah. So this is another way to enjoy peanut butter and jam or peanut butter and jelly, depending where you come from. So we're going to make it into a smoothie today. First step is to make the jam. Okay. We have already made the jam. It's very easy. You just take about 2 cups of chopped strawberries. Add to that about 1.5 teaspoons of chia seeds and about 1.5 tablespoons of water to a saucepan, and just cook it on a medium to low heat for about 5 minutes or so until it starts to break down and it will start to look like that. So then you just take it off the heat and just, bash it a bit with a spoon and then put it in the fridge to cool. And you could add a little bit of lemon juice to it if you wanted to, but you can just leave it plain. And it doesn't need any sugar in it either, does it?
Yeah, the strawberries are sweet enough.
Yeah. And now, of course, the peanut butter. So you can use any peanut butter, but best to make sure it's organic, natural, without any additives, like not excess salt or sugar or anything. Or even better, you could make it yourself, just blending peanuts with a little bit of oil until they become a smooth, creamy paste. We'll make the smoothie layer now.
All right then.
Frozen bananas, which I've already frozen some. So that's about 2 bananas which have been chopped and frozen. So we're just going to add those to the blender. 3 tablespoons of peanut butter. All we need now is some almond milk. Make sure it's unsweetened. Almond milk, 1 cup. So we just need to blend it now. As you can see, we've heated a little bit of peanut butter just to drizzle on the inside of the glass. It is very thick, so it's not very easy to do this, but it'll just give a bit more of a peanut flavor and a little bit more interest to the glass. We need to put some of our strawberry jam into the bottom of the glasses. Right, and we're going to make a delicious strawberry cream topping. So we're going to use the strawberry jam again. So if you measure out 1/2 cup, then we're going to get coconut cream. So I'm going to get 1 cup of coconut cream. It's been in the fridge, so it's hard at the top. So just get the hard part off. To whip this till it's nice and creamy. So we have delicious strawberry cream. So you can pipe this on or just spoon it on the top. So now just need to pour our peanut smoothie into the glasses. Yeah. That looks delicious. Bit off with the strawberry cream. There we go. Okay, so now you could decorate with some sliced strawberries if you like, or a bit more peanut butter if you want more peanut butter. But we've got a lot in there already. So maybe just a few strawberries would be good. Yeah, however you want to do it. So, there's our delicious peanut butter and jam smoothies. So now the taste test. Cheers. Well, how's it taste?
Very nutty.
Nutty,
Yeah.
Ah.
And sweet at the same time.
Would you say that's a good level of sweetness?
Yeah. Doesn't need to be really that sweet at all.
Because, like you saw, we didn't put any sugar in it. The only sugar in it comes from the fruit, the banana, and a bit from the strawberry. So, as you see, it's a really healthy way to have peanut butter and jam.
Cheers.
Cheers. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.